How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram. Make sure you logged into your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Now choose edit profile. And you will reach on edit profile page where you'll see pronouns option at third. Select that. And first of all, you can easily choose which language you want to add pronouns to, like English, Spanish, and many more. For me, it's English, the convenient language. Now you can easily type in anything. And once you have added the pronouns, if you wish to show to followers, only toggle the button on, otherwise turn it off. And tick mark the option at top right, and with that you will successfully add pronouns to your Instagram profile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.